Hello, Assalamu alaikum, hi friends. Now I am going to do uh, 10 days Vipassana meditation course. So now we are traveling from Chiang Mai to Lamphun, and luckily I have my teacher in my car, and he picked me right now from my hotel. So I have some question from this all throughout my teacher in this course. So, Mr. Your name is
Nikom.
Likhom.
Nikom.
Nikhom. You did the first course 13 years ago.
Yes.
So I asked him what's the major changes you feel after the course. So he replied very good. So I want to share with with his reply. So from his own words. Yes, sir. What's your change?
Well, like I said, my anger is go away. A lot of the the gross feeling, the gross
Negative feeling.
negative feeling,
Oh.
and I can quit drinking.
Oh.
That's the one thing, and less anger, more calm and more,
Okay.
compassion.
ओके वेरी वेरी नाइस वेरी नाइस. तो इन्होंने 3 चीज़ें शेयर की हैं कि एक तो ये कि ये एंकर बहुत था इनके अंदर, और जो है वो नाराज़ हो जाते थे और गुस्सा था बहुत, नेगेटिविटी थी वो इनकी ख़त्म हो गई. दूसरा ये ड्रिंक करते थे ना, तो वो इनकी ड्रिंक जो है ना वो छूट गई. तो इन्होंने बताया कि बहुत सारी पावर मेरे अंदर आई, जिसके बाद जो है ना वो मेरी विल पावर जो है वो बढ़ गई. और तीसरी चीज़ उन्होंने बताई कंपैशन और लव जो है, हारमोनी, वो इनके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा जनरेट हुआ. सो व्हेन आई इंट्रोड्यूस हिम, so we found we have lot of similar things. Our date, year of birth, our same.
Except I don't have 5 kids.
बस ये कह रहे हैं कि इनके 5 बच्चे नहीं हैं, मेरे 5 बच्चे हैं. So and he's doing PhD, and now
yeah.
I'm also PhD in Pakistan. So hopefully this course will enjoy as well. So and let you share another things day by day, or after 10 day, because we don't have cell phone during the course. So I'm very excited to do this course again, 10 days Vipassana course. So we'll share our experience after the course. Thank you very much, friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.